Is it worth the price? That does seem to be a question that is asked very often, and we try to answer it as best we can. Welcome to the October Boxycharm by IPSY unboxing. I gotta say, I'm giving them credit. Normally, I say their little flyer pamphlet that they put in there is just one great big advertisement to get us to try and buy more stuff. This time around, they gave some information on how to create some different looks. So I'll give them credit there. If you do a month-to-month subscription, it's around $32 a month. And the first item they picked for Anne is $32. They chose the Ciate London Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. And that is what the box looks like. It is in shade 020. Keep an eye on our shorts feed. That's where we do a lot of first impressions on products that we get. The other item that they picked for me was from a company, I don't think I've heard of this one for, Dalish. It is a lip scrub. Hopefully I've got that right side up. She's a tiny one, but with a lip scrub you don't exactly need a whole lot at once. And she is 0.31 ounces for $19. And I tried to get a sniff. It does have a safety seal, so I want to keep it sealed up so it doesn't dry out. It kind of has a vanilla-ish scent. So that could be interesting. Definitely. For the two items that were chosen for Anne by Boxycharm by IPSY, I'm happy with both of them. I think they did a great job based on the profile that I filled out, and everything with this box is full size. So yeah, that itty bitty lip scrub is full size. I'm pleased with what they picked for me. And now moving right along with this video. With this box, you then get to make 3 choices. And again, the items are all full size. So I picked a Tarte liquid blush in the shade pink. And I'm not too familiar with liquid blushes. I've tried a couple in the past and some have kind of worked out great and some not so great. But that's also part of the reason we get subscription boxes, is so we can try different types of products without having to pay the full price. Because the full price for this little puppy, which is clocking in at 0.4 fluid ounces, this is $36. So feasibly, this could, if you go month to month, this could have paid for your subscription. The next item is a $26 item from a company called In Beauty. And I'm not sure I've heard of that one either. And I will honestly admit that my choices in this group, I really didn't see anything I was overly excited for. So I picked this one because I figured, okay, it's a cleanser, it will get used. So this is what it looks like. Keep it clean, hydrating gel cleanser. And it's supposed to remove makeup, dirt, and debris without stripping your skin. And apparently this one is ophthalmologist tested, safe for eyes and contact lens wearers. That's good to know. So we shall see. It, like I said, I was kind of meh. I don't know what to pick. So I picked this one. And then she picked a $32 palette. Yes, I was very pleased to be able to pick a $32 palette, a palette of any value, but this one's $32. This is by Eloise, and it is called Goddess. Oh, wow, do you think they named it after me? That's the outside. And those are the shades inside. Oh, I get to do swatches. I need a brush. Okay, we'll set it up so you can do some swatches. And I have to say, I think for the second half of the box, I think this is my favorite item. I know it's mine. Here we go. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I enjoy swatching. And boy, do we have a story to tell you now. Yeah. Normally, after swatching, I use a makeup remover wipe to get the product off my arm. These two blue shades at the bottom, oh my goodness. They did not want to come off at all. I thought she was going to be blue permanently. The usual makeup remover wipe, yep, I mean, it smeared it around, but it didn't take off the color. So then I switched over to the spray from One Size called Go Off. I use this when Fatima makes eye looks. I use this on the mannequin and it cleans it 1, 2, 3. Clean as a whistle, as the old saying goes. Nope, it smeared it around some more, but it didn't take it off. So by then I was wondering if I was going to have blue eyeshadow streaks on my arm for a week or more. So we brought in Jeffree Star and his cleansing balm got the product off. So with that being said, we would highly recommend, if you use this palette, to make sure that you use an eyeshadow primer on your eyelids, because this one is going to be a doozy to clean. Yes, I usually put a eyeshadow primer on because it does make it easier to remove any and all eyeshadows. Yet for this particular palette, I would highly recommend using a primer. And I'm reaching down here to get the total. This box had a total of $145, which I would say for a $32 investment is an excellent return. Yes, it does seem nice. I'm on an annual plan, which means that I've paid up front for the entire year, so that brings my price down a little bit more, around $29 a month. But you had to pay all of it up front. Yes, so depending upon what your budget allows, check out our link down below. I think that's for a month-to-month box. Yes, we do have a link. You get full-size items. There's 5 of them, and you get to pick 3 of them, which is definitely nice. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching today. Did you remember to comment? Did you remember to like? Subscribe and hit that notification bell because we got some fun stuff coming up. You don't want to miss out. We hope to see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. What would you have done with blue streaks on your arm for a week? I don't know.